It's difficult. It's difficult. We have not experienced this before.
Biashara hamna, imekuwa mbaya, vitu vinaharibika madukani.
So everything went so fast down within a month. Everything was just upside down.
Last year, this time, you can hear about 10 aircraft at once only in the Serengeti, but now it's quiet.
The income generated in these areas assist the authorities to maintain and to manage many of the other smaller national parks. So many thousands of people relied on the industry.
One staff on tourism support 10 people in the family.
It is overnight, it just closed down. And that has a devastating effect on the protection of national parks in Tanzania. Before the pandemic already, the authorities started to realize that they have to manage the tourism numbers very carefully. I think now is a time to rethink how to develop tourism in the park in the future in a way that the numbers is contained, but that the income still go up and that the product maintain its high quality.
Everybody is eating from this park. Now, if we don't do something and we wait for the outsider to do it and not us ourselves, Tanzanians, I think we will be greedy. So I want our business people just to put back, to help. Together, I think we can have the best of these parks.